and welcome everyone. If you want to know how I made this beautiful Dutch pour, then please keep on watching. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, it's much appreciated. I didn't like all the gold in the middle, so I don't know why I scraped it all. I could have poured over it maybe, but I did scrape the painting and then poured over a new layer of white. I'm really a perfectionist and I'm really picky, so if I don't like a painting, I really like to start over again and make it more to my liking. So I might butt some heads with other people that would have liked that painting, but I just can't leave it if I don't like it. So we're starting over again with exactly the same colors. They're down below in the description. If you want to know how I made the paint mix, then you can click the I for the video. The beginning of the video shows you how I mixed the paints. I did use Floetrol Silicone in this because I really like cells and I wanted even more cells in my Dutch pour. I'm putting the gold in the middle of different colors because I don't want too much gold in there like I did the first time. I might have more gold in this one than the last pour I did, the second one I did, but I'm still liking this more, you'll see in the end, than the first one that I just scraped.
Holding on to memories that we've shared. My evidence you once really cared. I'm reaching for a hand to pull me up. One open to we never left.
Make sure you don't use the hairdryer too much, because otherwise the colors will get muddy. When you think it's enough with the hairdryer, just use your mouth to blow out some of the paint, or use a straw to blow out some of the paint. I'm using a burner to pop the bubbles, and then I'm just looking at the painting and see what I can do more. Like you've seen in the beginning, I scrape paintings when I don't like them, so if you ever make a painting that you don't like, you can just scrape it. I let the paint that falls off dry, so I can make jewelry with that. So everything I use is not wasted, so you can definitely scrape a painting if you don't like it. I really like this one way better. I love the colors, I loved how the colors mixed with the white, I love the cells in them, and I really love the oval shape. I think it is just, it gives something extra to Dutch pour if you have like an oval or round canvas. I might try Dutch pour on a square canvas in the future to see how that looks, but I really like these three that I'm making for this series. I really love the effect the gold gives when it mixes with all the different colors, and I just love these colors together. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, it's much appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video.
Inhale the future that